Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DISCA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, overall, a good solid day, which may seem a little bizarre to call just a stock that went sideways a good solid day, but you got to factor in the context. And the context of things was going into the day, there had been a whole lot of downward selling pressure. So just to see this thing at least go sideways is quite the bullish event. And I understand, geez, Clay, you're setting the bar kind of low. And I agree. That's setting the bar pretty low when you're calling sideways price action a pretty bullish event. But again, when you consider the context of just how bad it's been, simply going sideways is a good step in the right direction, which now makes it a valid, a rational question that, maybe this is some sort of bottom. No, don't get me wrong, and I wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because the price was getting beat down and started to go sideways does not mean that for sure guaranteed this is the bottom. My point here is it's now become at least a rational and relevant thought to have that, yeah, maybe this is some sort of bottom. This also goes to why this level remains very important at the $39 mark. Because if this is the bottom, well, then by definition, you don't want to see the price all of a sudden going right back to where it was. And that's what that $39 mark is representing. So as long as the price stays above 39, then it does make it at least a valid thought that, okay, maybe the bulls are finally starting to take over control. Maybe things are starting to, turn back in the bullish direction. So watch that very, very closely. Now, if the price breaks down through 39, there's going to be a bunch of longs and shorts watching that level. So if that level fails, it could very well create quite a bit of, downwards pressure to at least $36, if not even lower than that. But I don't want to get too far ahead of ourselves because so far so good. That level has done a great job holding strong. I am going to go ahead and adjust this area of resistance down because now that we have more data, it's become very apparent that $44 is going to be that first near-term level of resistance. You can see that's right where the price struggled with it several times today. And then if the price can push up through there, you're going to want to keep a close eye on that 50-period moving average as resistance, currently valued up there right around the $52 mark. But overall, like I said, showing some signs of potential life by going sideways, but we'll see how this continues to play out over the next few days. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.